I'm removing the nail polish with an acetone using this cloth because I ran out of cotton. This is 100% acetone, that's why nail polish can be removed easily although it's a bit drying. My nail polish looks like this because I've been wearing this nail polish for about 2 weeks and I didn't add top coat to it. Just keep on gently rubbing it until there is no nail polish left. Check if there are any small leftover nail polish on the side of your nails. I don't know how I got this, but there's a crack on the side of my thumbnail, see? So now I'm removing the nail polish on my other nails on my other hand. After a few weeks of having a cheap nail polish, my nails are now clean. Yay! But after revealing my bare nail, I saw this chipping side on my nail. Maybe the chips and the breaks of the nails are caused by the lack of moisture. And since I used acetone, it's so dry. See? Now we're gonna file the edge to remove the thin part and to avoid breakage. Always remember to file on one direction. Do not follow how I file. As you can see, I'm filing my nails like a saw because I forgot the right way to file my nails. Hehe. I don't know the reason behind this because I haven't done my research yet, but most of the nail tech YouTubers that I follow on YouTube always tell that. So let's just follow the professionals. So now I'm done filing the nails. And for our next step, we're gonna moisturize. You can use any product for this, but I'm like cuticle oil, hand moisturizers, and many more. I'm just using this because we have it here in our house and I like to maximize my resources. Just get a pea-sized amount of lotion. It will be enough to moisturize your nails and your cuticles. You can rub the excess lotion down to your fingers and palm. You can clearly see how healthy it looks after moisturizing. It looks so smooth and shiny. I love it. This isn't necessary, but I'm feeling extra today, so that's why I added more. Just keep on rubbing it until there is no visible lotion left. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!